I'm just here to show you how I'm going to go from day makeup to night makeup to get in these streets. I already took one lash off because it was poking me. So let's get started. Of course, I'll show you my hair later on. So I have my brush from this morning, and I'm just gonna go through and come back over my face. And if you see any of my other videos, I like a soft makeup look for work. And then when I go out, I kind of like, you know, a bit more. So I'm going back in with my bronzer. And I will show you, but it's all broken up. Because when I go out, I like to have a deeper contour, like, you know what I mean? And it probably won't look that much different to you, but it's just something I call myself doing. Now, I don't like for my makeup to look cakey or anything, but I am gonna go in and just put a little bit around the bottom of my face because I got my face wet when I took my shower. And this will help, I hope, help with being shiny, you know. So there, not that much, just a little retouch. Now, as usual, I'm going to pinch my brush and go down the side of my nose, the other side of my nose, and around the corners of my nose. I need to take this other lash off because I bet you like, why does she have on 1.5 lash? Then I'm gonna go highlight again. And this is, you do what you want to do as far as the highlighter goes. I just like a little, see, just a little. And I should have put just a little something. I'm going to reapply my blush, but just a little bit stronger. The Cream Shop Monchetti, because it's fall. And then get my brush again, go around the edges so I ain't scaring nobody, you know. And the majority of my makeup stuff I got from my favorite YouTuber, Savannah Silver. Now to these eyebrows, which don't need that much attention. And I usually like a big bold eyebrow, but I'm not finna go through that trouble. But I am gonna put some more stuff on there. One way to go from day to night are lashes. These are Opulence MD Beauty. Of course, I bought these when they were on clearance. So there's nothing, she doesn't do these anymore. And these are magnetic lashes, and I'm gonna put this one on. They're magnetic, but I'm gonna use my glue because I don't have no magnetic glue. So. Now on to this hair. As always, I'm running my fingers through my hair to catch those roots, and then going from ear to ear, I'm separating the top part of my hair from the bottom part of my hair, because in my mind I want to do a high messy bun. It was a bit of a struggle, but I persisted. It took about 3 or 4 hair ties to finally secure the ponytail in place enough. I don't know why I didn't think to use some bobby pins to keep them up, but I just kept tying it down with more bands. Since they are already falling down in the back, I just go ahead and pull the rest of them down. For the bangs, I get a bobby pin and pin them back so they won't be all in my eyes. And then here at the top, I didn't want so much hair down at the side, so I just pulled up some of those pieces and wrapped it around the messy bun. Once I had the pieces in place to the best of my ability, I got another hair tie and secured it to help finish off that messy bun. I'm noticing that this must be my favorite hairstyle because I keep putting it up like this. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. I got a lot of compliments throughout the night, and I had a good time seeing Leslie Jones. As always, if you stuck with me until the end, feel free to leave me a red heart. I thank you for your time. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.